Great little bridge over the canal here. The trail leads down that way. Looks great. To explore that one. Right here on Power Line Road.
Here's our wooden bridges. Who knows how long they've been here? Since they built the power line, I'm sure. Look over the side?
No.
Oh, you don't want me to look over the side? It's only about 8 or 10 feet.
Only?
Oh, we ran over some. How was that?
Okay.
Okay, you're back to the ground. I see another one coming. Oh, there's water. Water on my side. We just saw fish.
Looks like somebody's been hanging out down there too. Yeah.
Oh, there's plenty of water here. Don't see no fish. All right. Yeah.
The water starts right here.
How's that coming down there?
Hard to smell.
He gotta be 3 foot wide. His belly there gotta be 3 foot wide. See, that's a turtle in his mouth. I guess that's turtle stew tonight. It's just beautiful here. Got some birds over here. Power Line Road heading to the St. Johns River. One of these canals where they dig the road and they make the road, they dig the canal next to it. See the power lines. Another big gator. Got him. He's across the canal, just sitting there. He's a big one too, though. Not gonna scare him away like the last one, so that people behind us can see it. There's a snake bird. He's out there drying. He must have been fishing. In search of his dinner. Perfectly still until I saw. Alright. Okay, here we are walking the so-called trail. Looks like somebody's driving out here, you know, the four-wheelers. You give them a dry patch, they'll make a trail. Coming up on the St. Johns River right here, though. Looks good. There's the pavilion right across. See, the smoker and everything. Yeah. One time I was here, there was a big party going on there. You could see all the airboaters were docked up there. Not sure, but I think that is part of that Canaveral land off of 50, you know what I'm talking about? You know, with the new sign? Mm-hmm. I told you.
Oh, shit! Big.
Alright, that was a gator. We scared. We scared him.
Oh, there's another one down here, down here.
Oh, okay. There's a bigger one down there. Oh, look at that thing. Yeah, he's leaving. Oh my goodness. That big. Worried.
There's a little one right here, too.
So he's just going under. He's just hiding a little bit. Just hiding.
Right here in front of the, around the palm tree.
Yeah, I see him. The little one right there. Alright, there's the picnic grounds on the St. Johns River. Boat access only, I believe. Guys throwing a cast net down here. Little John boat, we've seen them. Another gator out here in the water. You can see him right there. See, here's one. Let's see about our buddy over here. There he is again. That's a big one too. I think that's the one we scared. That's the hole where we scared him right there. And there he is just looking at the hole. Look at it. He's just looking at us. Waiting for us to leave. Okay, once more. There's a big one right there. I mean, there's no such thing as a little one around here. No. They're just huge. Right here on the alligator trail. Okay, here's that big alligator. He went down some. He's watching us. But we know why they're hanging out here now. See right over here? Cows. I bet it's an easy grab for a gator that size. There's the way back if we want to walk on the shore. Where these guys, see, he's trying to hide from us. There he is. He's just sitting there. I can't believe he's not moving at all.
It's warm?
Yeah, warming up. Okay, here we are. Underneath the beach line, 528. Parking area, number 22. Bathroom. All important. Handicap parking. Okay, there's another gator. Threw out a fishing line. Look who showed up. He's a big one. Now, I'm sure he's used to people fishing here and feeding him is the problem. Okay, getting the grill going. And look who shows up. See, throw out a fishing line, start the grill, here come the gators. He's probably not going to get a hot dog, but he's probably used to getting something. See, he wants to come up here. He's getting closer and closer. I mean, look at the shore right there. Creeping in. Okay, here's another one. Throw out a fishing line, you just come around and come around. Somebody been feeding these guys. Tell you what, just a great place to spend the afternoon. It's been just great down here. There's a couple of hot dogs here, be done. Tables, grills. That grill there has never been used. That grill is brand new. Okay, got some hot dogs going. Just using my chimney for the grill. Just pot a little bit in there.
I know.
Working out good. We're sitting right here on the water. Sun going down a little bit over here. Okay, the sun's going down. Get over there. Nice and peaceful around here. Oh, there's one of the gators hanging out. See him right there. That'd be him. Beautiful. Look at the sun going down. Look low out there. Looks like the lake kind of goes around the corner over here. Can't really see it. Getting dark. Getting nice and calm though. Beautiful this time of evening.